Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to block syncing of specific file types. As an example, exe file or mp3 file or mp4 file or a pdf file, and how to block a specific domain to sync your OneDrive for Business account, and how to restore deleted files or folders, and how to restore the previous version of OneDrive for Business. So first I'm going to show you how to block syncing of specific file types. So to do that, we need to log in to our Microsoft Office 365 admin portal. We go to the admin. We go to the admin centers. Click on SharePoint. Under SharePoint, we go to settings. In settings, here we'll find a sync option. So click on sync. So in the third option, we will find block upload of specific file types. So here you can provide the extension of the file type. In my case, I provide exe, mp3, mp4 and pdf file. So these file types will not be synced in my OneDrive for Business. So, and when you tick this option and provide this value, provide this extension, it might take 8 hours to sync. So now I'm going to test it out, that is it working or not. So here is my OneDrive. This is my OneDrive. Now I'm going to sync, let's say I'm going to sync an exe file. So I copy an exe file and then yeah, it got blocked. So why it got blocked? Click on that. This item name or type isn't allowed. Please rename the file or remove it from your OneDrive. So this exe file is not sync. Also I would try with an mp3 file. Yeah, got the same result. You see, it got the same. It blocked me to sync with my OneDrive for Business. So let's try it out with an Excel file, maybe. Yeah. Now I go to my OneDrive and see, yeah, it is got synced. So the settings that we provide in here is working. So it is well working. So it can block the specific file types to sync. So it is a very secure, and we can use it to block those malicious file type to your OneDrive. So you can just put the file names in here, file extension in here, just give it a space, enter, and then type the file name, then just enter it out and save it out. Yeah. So this is how we can block syncing of specific file types. Now block syncing from specific domain, it also in the sync option. If we just click on here, allow syncing only on computers joined to specific domain. So if your PC on a specific domain, like let's say in my case, I've been using this domain. So if I select it out, okay. So in here, you have to provide the domain's GUID that you in the PC as joining on a Azure AD or an Active Directory. So you can run this command and you will find that GUID in here. So you have to provide the GUID in here, And if you do that on your domain join PC, only from your domain those PC will be syncing for with your OneDrive for Business account. And if those PC get removed from the AD, they will not be sync. So that's how you can do this. Now we're going to the third one, how to restore deleted files or folder. So it is a very easy and common one. You can do it from your OneDrive for Business web version. You cannot do it with your desktop version. Desktop version has not these capabilities. So in here, if you go to the recycle bin, from recycle bin you will find your deleted item. So you just click on the deleted item and click on restore. So if you deleted any item or any folder, it will be stored in the recycle bin, and after and 30 days you can restore it from here. And also there is another option to restore the previous version of OneDrive for Business. So uh, it is very important feature in a sense that uh, your OneDrive for Business might be corrupted. It was working 7 days earlier. You want to restore the 7 days earlier before version. And to do that, what you have to do is to click on the settings option, restore your OneDrive, click on restore your OneDrive, and then you have to select a date. Let's say I want to restore 1 week ago. So if I click on restore, it will restore the file from 1 week ago. So it will restore on that point, that particular point. So I can drag it out and I can restore up to 30 days. So it is the maximum time I can restore from here. If anything above 30 days, I have to contact with the support and get their help to restore it. So you can restore up to 30 days. So once you click on this, you will your OneDrive will be restored after 30 days. So this is a very handy feature if your wonderful business uh, could be infected or corrupted. So you can restore it 2 days ago it was working fine, so you just restore before 2 days ago, and that way you will save your lots of your files. So that's it for today. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.